Historically, Illinois was once home to approximately 80 of the nearly 300 species of freshwater mussels native to North America. Like much of the United States, Illinois' freshwater mussel populations have drastically declined. Multiple factors contribute to the loss of mussels, including pollution, habitat destruction, historic over-harvesting, and competition with invasive species. 19 species native to Illinois are now extinct or extirpated from the state, and of those remaining 61 species, nearly 40% are threatened or endangered. Freshwater mussels are considered keystone species. Through their biological processes, mussels shape the environments in which they inhabit, often in ways that allows everything else within the ecosystems to flourish. An important way mussels alter the environment is by cleaning water as they filter feed. This is a process by which mussels continually siphon in water across their specialized gills that capture particles from the water column. To examine their rate of filtration, we placed wild mussels in aquariums and filled tanks with lake water and let them feed. As the mussels feed, the particles brought in with the water are retained by the mussel and digested as food, and the water is then expelled from the mussel. This water leaving the mussel is cleaner because much of the particulate matter has been removed. Healthy mussel beds can filter hundreds to thousands of gallons of water each day. Due to this, mussels can transform waters that are murky and hard to see through to clear in a matter of hours. This improvement in water clarity allows for sunlight to reach greater depths, which enables submerged aquatic vegetation to grow. As more vegetation grows, the plants can help prevent erosion and further filter water, creating a beneficial domino effect. Cleaner water allows for healthier plant and animal communities, all of which increases recreational and consumer value of a water body. In addition to filtering water, mussels themselves create habitat, which provides new places for other organisms to live. Since mussels are largely sessile, they can hold substrate in place, making the stream bottom more stable. Mussels' shells create three-dimensional structures that other aquatic macroinvertebrates can live on. Some species of fish even lay their eggs on mussel beds. Mussels are also a food source that can help sustain larger aquatic and terrestrial predators, thereby supporting greater biodiversity. These ecosystem services are performed naturally and free of charge simply by mussels feeding and existing in an environment. For the health of freshwater ecosystems, it is critical to protect the native freshwater mussels that remain and support efforts to return their populations to their former abundance.